Elon Musk is the real life version of Iron Man. He is the founder of Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, The Boring Company, PayPal, and co founder of OpenAI. Just drop the mic, Elon Musk. His net worth is 185 billion and he is well on his way to becoming the world's first trillionaire. That's 12 zeros if you are wondering. Let's rewind to see how Musk got started. On June 28, 1971, Elon Musk was born in Pretoria, South Africa, to May Musk, a model and dietitian, and Errol Musk, a South African pilot. At age 10, he developed an interest for computer programming. By age 12, he sold the code of a basic video game he created called Blastar to a magazine for $500. A web version of the game is still available online. Being an avid reader, he drew inspiration from Isaac Asimov's book, which quotes, "You should take the set of actions that are likely to prolong civilization, minimize the probability of a dark age, and reduce the length of a dark age if there is one." In 1995, Musk, along with his brother Kimball, founded their first company, Zip2, which was like an internet version of the Yellow Pages. They only had one computer, so the website ran during the day and they coded at night. They also slept at the office as they didn't have an apartment and showered at the YMCA. Today, Musk says at times he has clocked in more than 120 hours a week and almost always sleeps at his factory, saving time to go home and shower. He has been doing this for years. That's just his work ethic and leadership style. He showed CBS exactly where he slept at Tesla's manufacturing plant in Fremont, California. He clarifies that he does not want to be one of those CEOs who sleep in their mansions or five-star hotels while his employees toil away on the factory floor. Tesla did go through a phase of production crisis back in 2018. Their goal was to produce 5,000 cars per week of the Model 3, but only 800 cars per week were being made. This led to Tesla being almost bankrupt. But Musk turned it around by being committed and having reliable employees work almost 100 hours a week. Today, the company has delivered nearly 500,000 cars in 2020 and aims to produce 20 million cars a year by 2030. That's literally 40 times what it produced in 2020. While this work style may suit Musk, not all CEOs agree. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey said, "Success means I work 20 hours a day and I sleep 4 because that is what I read Elon Musk does. This is BS. I would rather optimize for making every hour meaningful or every minute meaningful than I would maximize the number of hours or minutes I'm working on a thing." As per Dorsey, working 20 hours a day leads to burnouts. But Musk says there is no time to slow down. He once explained that if someone is working 50 hours a week and you are working 100, you will get twice as much done in a course of a year and be that much further ahead. Employees acknowledge it's a demanding place to work. When Tesla was constantly hit with high injury rates of employees, including reports of staff passing out on the factory floor, Musk sent a company-wide email that read, "No words can express how much I care about your safety and well-being. It breaks my heart when someone is injured building cars and trying their best to make Tesla successful. I will go down to the production line and perform the same task that they perform." This just goes to show that he cared deeply for the health and safety of his employees. This action-based approach is proof that he is willing to put himself at the very center of any issues. Since then, Tesla's safety record have improved significantly. Tesla is now a car company that pushes boundaries by helping the world transition to sustainable energy. SpaceX is also expanding horizons as it believes in making space travel affordable. Musk made rocket reusability possible when his Falcon rocket returned back to the launch pad. This mission carried a Tesla Roadster belonging to Musk as a dummy payload. This was the first time in history that such a feat had been achieved. There is no turning back for Musk, as all he sees is exploration and courage. The future is where Musk makes history.